Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make pre-workout coffee using an easy method. Coffee offers a fantastic natural energy boost, helping you feel more alert and focused for your workouts. It can also significantly improve your athletic performance and endurance. This straightforward approach is not only quick to prepare, but also a cost-effective alternative to many commercial pre-workout supplements, saving you both time and money before hitting the gym. Gathering your ingredients is super simple. First, you will need 1 cup of your favorite freshly brewed coffee, whether it is hot or cold. Next, consider adding a natural sweetener like 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, maple syrup, or even a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. While not strictly necessary, a small blender or a milk frother can be used to achieve a wonderfully smooth and creamy texture, making your drink even more enjoyable. Preparing your pre-workout coffee takes just a few moments. Begin by brewing 1 cup of your preferred coffee. Once brewed, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen natural sweetener directly into the coffee. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the sweetener is completely dissolved, ensuring an even taste. If you desire a richer, creamier consistency, you can blend the mixture for about 15 seconds, creating a delightful frothy top. For optimal results, consume your pre-workout coffee approximately 20 to 30 minutes before you begin your exercise routine. This timing allows the caffeine to take effect, maximizing its benefits. It is wise to start with a smaller amount of coffee to gauge your personal tolerance. Remember to avoid adding excessive amounts of sugar or artificial creamers, as these can negate some of the health benefits. Always stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water during your workout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.